I will take you through how do you travel with pets and a little bit around the pets. ठीक है? So श्रवण जी शुरू कीजिए.
Yeah. So, hello everyone, welcome to Get Set Up. Before we start, we are educators and a training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickbacks from any product or services. We also record the sessions for all the participants. So if you have registered for this session, you will just put an email to help@getsetup.io and you will get the recording of this session. If you have registered on the website for this class, you will receive an email with the class notes also and the feedback link for this session where you can give us the feedback. The chat is always available. You can put any of your questions or comments in the chat. Anu ma'am and I are there to read the chat all the time. Also, please be considerate of fellow learners and mute your mic so that there's no disturbance. About Get Setup is a platform for older adults by older adults. Our mission is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help others learn tools and skills needed to stay connected and live healthy lives. We have classes ranging across technology, health and fitness, wellness, singing, dancing, and we also have guest speakers. So make sure you visit our website, getsetup.in/schedule for more classes. Also, if you know any other people in your organization, your friends or your family who can benefit from these classes, please spread the word. It helps us a lot. Also, if you have any suggestions for new classes or new ideas, please write to Siddharth at getsetup.io. Also, in case you're a new participant, I'll just go through in brief about registering for classes. So you can search our name on Google, the Get Setup, and it will take you to the Google page. And you must click on the first link, getsetup.io. There you will be redirected to a website where you can see a number of classes. You can select any of the class you want to be a part of and click on register. Once you click on register, it will take you to the page of the class and it will give you more information about when the class is and what the class is about. There you have to click the confirm button. Once you click the confirm button, you will have to put your information, your first name, last name, email, and also your WhatsApp number so that we can stay connected to you and give you notifications and update about the classes. Once you fill in the information, click on book now and we will go to a verification where we will verify your mobile number by sending an OTP. Once you get the OTP through SMS on your mobile, put the OTP here and click on verify, and that's it. You will have registered for a class. Also, we give you constant reminders and notifications about the classes so that you don't miss the class through email, WhatsApp, and the Get Setup app also. So, yeah, Anu ma'am, please take over. Thank you.
When I'm in deep gratitude. बहुत अच्छे से आपने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है. जस्ट टू से अगेन, अगर आपको ये क्लास अच्छी लगे आज, अभी नहीं यार, अभी तो शुरू ही नहीं करी हमने, बट अगर ये क्लास अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज रिकमेंड कीजिएगा, क्योंकि आपकी रिकमेंडेशन में शायद किसी और इंसान की जिंदगी can get glorified and can have happy ending to it. Now when I'm saying happy ending, it's not a massage with a happy ending. अब मैं adult joke तो crack कर ही सकती हूँ क्योंकि ये adult forum है. वैसे श्रवण तू कान बंद कर लेना. No, the point that I'm trying to make, guys, is कि हम लोग ना शेयर करने में और किसी को फीडबैक देने में बहुत कंजूसी करते हैं. कहते जरूर है कि ग्रैटिट्यूड ग्रैटिट्यूड ग्रैटिट्यूड. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करके देखिए ना. Connect with your friends and tell them about this amazing stuff that Get Set Up is doing. And सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, सबके लिए कह रही हूँ. सब गाइड्स बहुत ही बढ़िया हैं and they are very beautiful. They have only one thing in their heart, including me, that you could feel more motivated in your life. And you could go ahead and connect with that part of you which is very precious and is sitting stagnant inside. तो शायद अगर आप अपने दोस्त को कहे, मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे आज मारा था, इसके बदले आज मैं करी थी, बहुत अच्छी थी, ज्यादा अच्छा लगे और लाइफ लोगों के लिए ज्यादा हो जाए. Okay, so thank you very much and deep gratitude to all of you. I will also be putting a link so that you can also send the feedback to us as to how you found today's session. Namaste Kiran, Namaste Jyotsna, Namaste Anita, Sapna, Beena ji, all of you. Thank you for supporting.
Namaste, namaste.
Namaste ji. चलिए आज का प्रोग्राम शुरू करते हैं एंड इट इज हाउ पेट्स एड लाइफ टू आवर लाइफ. तो थोड़ा सा आपको भूमिका दे देती हूँ. आई गिव यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ बैकग्राउंड. आई वाज नॉट एनिमल लवर. वो होता है ना, जैसे आई डिड नॉट बिलीव इन गॉड. I did not believe in anything called animals. That was in Anu, probably even 10 years back. Even 10 years back, if somebody said Anu would be giving a lecture or talking about animals, I would have run on the other side and said, Kya bakwas kar rahe ho? This is just not possible. Because I was someone who used to get scared of animals. Yeah, scared of animals. Scared to that extent that if you got anything like a cat or a dog, even if it was a little baby, I would run across and I could jump across the buildings thinking that this small animal is going to do something horrible to me. Now that happened because I was bitten by a dog when I was very young. And then life changed. For about 25 years, my children kept saying, Mama, doggy chahiye. So I kept giving them an excuse. बड़ा घर होगा तो, दूसरी जगह जाएंगे तो, यहाँ ये करेंगे तो. And at the point when I got my little golden retriever, I was in this house, which is just a 3.5 BHK, so not very big, in Mumbai, and has, it's like not the best of the places where you would get a dog, because generally I would say dogs के लिए बहुत बड़ी जगह चाहिए, and a golden retriever is not a small baby, it's a big baby. पर एक आपको बात कह देती हूँ, अगर आपने अभी तक पेट नहीं ले, आपकी जिंदगी अधूरी है. I never thought in my entire life that I could fall in love with animals. Aaj, I can't think of my life without animals. And so if someone like me could get converted from not being an animal lover to becoming an animal lover, you have a lot of hope in your life, because I'm sure all of you who are here, or most of you who are here, are animal lovers. Anybody would like to share their experience over here as to whether you are also of my category, or ever have been, or ever met someone? If you've met, put it down in the chat, or you can unmute yourself and talk to me, because this is very important before we talk about the pets. How do we connect with pets? Yes. Anybody who would like to share or put it down in the chat box? Anita says absolutely, totally agree. This is a seminar, or this is a webinar, or this is whatever you call it, 1 hour guftagu with each other, where we are going to talk to you about कि animals आपकी जिंदगी में बाहर कैसे लेके आते हैं. Life आपकी बदल जाती है. Who will like to share?
अनु.
हाँ जी.
Jyotsna here.
Yes, Sapna.
What happened? My sister was bitten by a dog twice, and my nephew also was bitten. So I am very scared of dogs. If you have a dog in your house, I will never enter your house in my life.
Yeah, and why do we celebrate such people? Because they are the highest potential people who will love the dog to the other extent once they get over their fear. So are you still scared? Are you still scared?
I'm still scared. I'm still scared. I love them, but from a distance. उनके लिए खाना दूर से रख के भाग जाऊंगी कि तुम आके खा लो भैया.
I was that category. मैं तो खाना भी नहीं रखती थी, मैडम. Dog.
नहीं, खाना देना है. खाना तो देना है उनको. उनके लिए रोटी पहले निकालते हैं. उनको खाना देना है, लेकिन दूर से, पास से नहीं.
Can you see my dog?
Anji, please. Gurvinder,
would you like to see my dog?
बिल्कुल. अरे वाह. अरे वाह. What's his? क्या नाम है?
He's Marshall.
अरे
Marshall. Marshall. He's
मार्शल,
Marshall.
so
Yeah.
so beautiful. चलिए.
Like
अभी
I was also very scared of the dogs. Like not scared. I was not very fond of keeping dogs at home. But my children, they were very fond of, like you said, and all every house children want to have pets in the house. But the both one day both of them decided between themselves and they brought this puppy. He was just 21 days old, and they put him in my bedroom because he was to be trained for this toilet training and everything. And I used to cry. I said, "Hi, मेरे को किसका डॉगी के साथ सोना पड़ता है?"
yeah.
But now, to like Jaan is so cute, so loving, so affectionate. पूरा time मतलब it's so disciplined. इसके timings इतने perfect हैं. अपने timings पे उसको खाना चाहिए, घूमना चाहिए. Everything you learn a lot from the pets.
Exactly.
Love it.
जब खोलते हैं ये कुछ
Yeah.
ये
Hi.
वो सब भी नहीं सीख सकते ये
Your voice is cracking. There's problem with my this thing. Your voice is cracking.
कर देते हैं. Now is better. सुनीता
Yes.
दिखाइए अपना पेट. Very good. We'll put you under spotlight. दिखाइए. सुनीता जी अनम्यूट करें.
She in the window. Hi,
Oh,
baby. Hi, baby. Hello.
God, what's her or his name?
This is Pillu, baby.
अरे बाबा, पिल्लू बेबी. Oh my God. So much of love. So
He's
much
a
of.
strange.
अरे वाह, ये हमारा गेट का बिल्कुल फेथफुल. सब फेथफुल जो है ना वो सबसे ज्यादा ये होते हैं गाइस. आप सोचते कि कितना प्यार देके जाते हैं. यस किरण, आई एम कमिंग टू यू, पुटिंग यू अंडर द स्पॉटलाइट. किरण बोलिए, अनम्यूट कीजिए. हाँ जी, आप ऐसे ही ना हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे तो मुझे पता लग जाएगा. हाँ जी.
नहीं मेरे पास तो अभी है ही नहीं. मेरा सन मलेशिया में है, वो बाय करने को बोल रहा है.
अरे
मैंने
करो
बोला
ना.
मैं कभी मलेशिया आऊंगी नहीं फिर. मम्मी चाहिए कि पेट चाहिए, सोच ले तू.
मेरी बिटिया ने भी मुझे ये कहा था, मॉम इन माय हाउस देयर विल बी 30 डॉग्स, यू डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट टू कम और नॉट. मैं going to be living like this. So very well said. I am so happy people can relate to the story जहाँ पे सिर्फ मैं और मेरी तन्हाई. बच्चों ने कहा बकवास बातें मत. तन्हाई का तो मतलब ही नहीं है. आपको हम एक अच्छी वाली गुड़िया लाके देते हैं and this is like a गुड़िया only my dear. आपने अगर बच्चों को पाला है ना, अगर, तो आप ये समझ लीजिए ये बच्चों से ज्यादा फेथफुल हैं. और उसके एडवांटेजेस आपको बता देती हूँ भाई. यू नो बेस्ट पार्ट, यूनिवर्सिटी का कोई खर्चा नहीं है, कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करानी है इनको, कोई ABCD नहीं सिखानी है, कुछ नहीं करना है, बस प्यार देना.
कोई होमवर्क नहीं कराना
ना, बिल्कुल नहीं. होमवर्क तो मतलब कहीं दूर दूर तक नहीं आता. श्रवण से पूछ के देखो, पढ़ाइयाँ कर रहा है, सारे पीछे पड़े होंगे. पहले पढ़ ले बेटा, फिर शादी करा लेना बेटा, फिर ये कर लेना. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आपका डॉग, आपका पेट, आपकी कैट आपके साथ मस्ती करेगी.
शादी तो डॉग की भी चिंता होती है, कब मिलेगी इसको.
नहीं नहीं, कोई ऐसी वाली चिंता नहीं है. ब्रीडर्स बड़े मिल जाएंगे आपको, बिल्कुल नहीं है. मेन चीज ये है कि आपको सिर्फ एक ही चिंता होती है कि उनको 3 टाइम आपने खाना ध्यान से देना और प्यार से देना है. जिस दिन आपने प्यार से नहीं दिया ना, वो नहीं खाएगा या नहीं खाएगी. आपके घर में लड़ाई होगी ना, तो आपका साथ देने आपका कुत्ता खड़ा होगा आपके साथ, आपके हस्बैंड के साथ लड़ने के लिए. वो खुद आपके साथ खड़ा होके ना भौंकेगा कि तूने मेरी माँ को ऐसे कैसे कहा। ऐसे वाला आपको साथी कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला। और कोई भी आपके घर आएगा ना, चाहे वो कितनी ही नींद में बैठा हो, वो उठ के ही इज गोइंग टू गो और शी इज गोइंग टू गो एंड बाक। मतलब वैसे फुस्सड़ हो, क्योंकि साइज इतना बड़ा है, कई बार मेरे गोल्डन रिट्रीवर का भी साइज बहुत बड़ा है, तो उसको देख के लोग डर जाते हैं। वैसे हमारा भोलू बच्चा है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट नहीं है। आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ। So you need someone on your side. And you know the best part, when I feel sad, sometimes my dog will come, and in my mind I'm saying I wish someone could hug me, especially during this time of COVID. And she will come and start licking on my hand, start licking on my feet, as if to tell me, Mom, I love you alone. बात करते हैं आपसे, कान होने चाहिए आपके पास सुनने के लिए, क्योंकि आवाज के बिना, बोले बिना, they tell you things with their actions that you cannot even imagine. रात को वो मेरे बिना सोती नहीं है और मैं उसके बिना सोती नहीं हूँ. In the middle of the night, she will come and plonk her hip right next to me like this. और seriously, मैं फिर से कहती हूँ, पहले भी कोई मुझे बोलता, because she is today 1 year 6 months and मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा वक्त कैसे निकल गया. She came into my house when she was precisely 2.5 months old. इतनी सी, एक ग्रीन सी बास्केट में. आपको फोटोज दिखाती हूँ and then I will tell you, अगर आपने ट्रैवल करना है अपने डॉग के साथ, then what? Please do not shop the pets, adopt them. बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो सुनीता जी, अडॉप्ट करो. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को एक्सेप्ट किया जाता है, ह्यूमन बींग्स एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, और उसके बाद थोड़े सालों, थोड़े महीनों के बाद, when they cannot manage, they abandon the dog. These become rescue dogs. They get adopted by other families. अगर आप ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले सकते तो प्लीज मत लेके आना. बट ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, आपकी जिंदगी में प्यार आ रहा है. मैं बार बार कहूंगी एक ही चीज, कि हवा का क्या कसूर अगर आपने अपने खिड़की दरवाजे बंद कर लिए. मैंने अपने से प्यार के दरवाजे बहुत साल तक बंद किए, बिकॉज मुझे लगा प्यार ओनली मीन्स कि जहां पे एक आदमी आपके लिए खड़ा और बोल रहा नो आई लव यू. नहीं, that's not what love is only. Love is, and truly love is, when you connect with the animals. Truly that is love. There is nothing else that is more beautiful than getting a rescue dog home or adopting a dog. A lot of people today in these
Ma'am, your mic is, I think, is breaking.
Is it now also breaking?
The voice is cracking. I think your connection is loose.
नहीं, मैं lose हो रही हूँ. Okay, is it
Yeah, it's
better?
fine. Yeah, it's better. It's better. A lot better.
Perfect. So what I'm going to do is take you through a slide and also show you how you should be traveling with your dog. If you are bringing a dog, then what are the good and the bads of the dog? चलिए. Can you all see my slides? Yes. Hana. Like this. If you can see my slides like this. Thank you. This is my little Luna added life into my life. Huge change in me. I am today more compassionate, and when I see street dogs and I see street cats, I want to go out there and help them. I can actually feel a little bit of a tear around my eye right now, is because I am feeling so blessed right now that I can bring this love to all of you. That's me, Dr. Anu Mehta, pioneer in the field of meta health, information medicine, matrix reimprinting, and many other modalities in India. And let's first introduce this drawing. This drawing was created by my 8-year-old niece, who's following my dog. That's a creation that she's made, and so I put that over there to acknowledge what she has done. Today we are going to be talking about traveling with the pets. जब आपके घर में पेट आता है और आपको बाहर जाना है, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो कि नहीं ट्रैवल कर सकते? One of the biggest questions that comes into people's mind is, क्या हम इस पेट के साथ बंध के रह जाएंगे? क्या मैं कभी बाहर नहीं जा सकूंगी? This was my thought. 2-3 चीजें थी because of which even when they got the dog for me, even when they got little Luna for me, I used to often think, "Hai kya syapa hai?" Literally like this. First one was that they will bark and it's unpleasant. You have to train them well. They do not just bark unnecessary. In fact, I never hear Luna bark at all, other than when it is required. Secondly, I was always told, "Oh my God, as much work that you will do for your children, and you will probably have to slog it out even more with this pet." It is not like that. The first 1 year is a little difficult if you're not an animal lover. If you're an animal lover and you've lived with dogs and cats, it's not a big deal. If you are not an animal lover and you got an animal, just find a good trainer. Once you have a good trainer, have patience. In the first 6 months to 8 months, they are toilet trained. They will go out. They do not tie you down. Today, it's much easier to get the pet at home than it ever was. And yes, you do not ever get, because you will mold your animal according to your routine. आपकी routine क्या है वो ज़्यादा important है, and you will create your animal to your routine. आपके बच्चे ऐसे नहीं थे, आपने अपने बच्चों के routine के साथ अपने आप को adjust किया था, but your dog, your cat will adjust to your routine. Okay, so I think this point is well taken, that it is your routine that you will make your animal understand about. So anybody who wants to give their vishesh tipni on this, कि उनको लगा कि वो tied down हो जाएंगे, या any of that is going on in your head, anybody would like to share over there? Sunita, Kiran, Gurvinder, Rajesh ji, Sabha, anybody would like to share on that they might feel कि अरे हम तो बंध जाएंगे? मंजू जी,
हेलो मैम, सुनीता
सुनीता
मैम। हाँ, हमको जाना है अभी। हम वी आर 3 पर्सन्स। ओके, हमको जब भी जाना हो, एक तो घर पे रहता ही है, क्योंकि अपने बच्चे जैसा, वो बच्चा है ना अपना। हम लोग अपने बच्चे को बांध के घर में बंद करके अभी मुझे ये हो रहा है, जाते हैं क्या? अगर हमको बाहर कहीं जाना हो तो अपने बच्चे पे जैसे ध्यान देते हैं, उसको देखना चाहिए, उसका खाना पानी, या फिर बहुत देर तक जा रहे, घर पे कोई नहीं है, उसके खाने का बंदोबस्त, खाना रख के जाओ, उसको पानी रख के जाओ। बहुत मजबूरी है, उसको रख के जा सकते, बट बांध के नहीं जा सकते। उसको घर में घूमने दो, यहाँ से वहां करने दो, पॉटी करता है करने दो, कुछ भी करता है करने दो, उसको फ्रीली छोड़ दो। अगर कुछ भी मजबूरी हो, अगर आप रह सकते, एक जन को तो कंपलसरी रहना ही पड़ता है। और हमारे घर पे जो स्टेज है एक्चुअली खरीदे हुए नहीं है, वो आ गए हैं, इसलिए अभी उनको संभालना पड़ता है, पर तो भी बच्चे के जैसा है संभालते, नॉट मजबूरी।
थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया। वो अपाहिज नहीं है, आपसे प्यार करेगा। अगर आप अपने बच्चों को संभाल सकते हैं, और आपके बच्चे आपको, अगर जब आप बूढ़े हो जाते हैं और वो बोले कि ये तो मुसीबत है, आप ये इतनी एडजस्टमेंट तो किसी चीज के लिए भी करोगे ना। एंड यू कैन ऑल टू टेक केयर व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर द ऑफिस। टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, मुझे एक दिन भी नहीं लगा कि आई नीडेड टू टाई माई सेल्फ डाउन। अपना माइंडसेट भी होता है कि हम कैसे अपने आप को और एडजस्ट करते हैं, और एनिमल को अपने आप के साथ कैसे एडजस्ट कराते हैं। Anybody else would like to share? Thank you. That was very good sharing. Yes.
Not once have I felt that my pet has tied us down from ever since he was a pup. we have been leaving him behind for 2-3 hours, and maximum 2-3 hours he stays alone in the house. And there's like he stays by the window and he keeps looking outside, but he's not given a problem. Of course, when we go outside, out of town, then we leave him in a creche. But otherwise, I don't think he ties us down. In fact, he is the center of our family. He's the main attraction in our family.
Thank you so much. They add life to the family. They do
Yes,
not.
absolutely. And my pet has brought our family much closer also, much closer. We are all hovering around him all the time.
Absolutely. And we talk to the animal as if they
Absolutely. Like if I bump into my son or my daughter, we just say sorry. But if I stamp his foot, I go down on my knees. Oh, so sorry. I'm very sorry. So many times I'll say it. Yeah, that's the kind of love we have for him.
Absolutely. Anybody else would like to share? Thank you for that. How do I say your name, Ms. Chatterjee?
My name is Geeta. It's just spelled differently, but it's Geeta.
Okay, thank you so much. So that was amazing input, Geeta. Anybody else would like to share? देखिए, sharing में सारी दुनिया पड़ी है. I can give you a lecture, but this is not a lecture, my dear. This is about sharing our experiences. Anybody else would like to share?
हाँ, but वो रहते तो बहुत काम बढ़ जाता है. I've got just 2.5-month-old lab pup my son bought, and he's too small to give potty training right now, ना. तो समझाते हैं पर समझती नहीं है वो, और उसको किसी तरह भी सुंघा के फिर बाथरूम में जाके दिखाते हैं तो she is not understanding. Sometimes she does like upstairs, so she knows where's the bathroom, but नीचे में we have about 3-4 rooms, so she gets confused. I think she thinks the whole house is her bathroom, and she goes and pees all over. And then, so much of work, I mean, then cooking specially food for her and all that. So it's good to have a pet, but काम बहुत बढ़ जाता है.
मैम आपको एक तरीका बताऊं? I'll tell you one way. Like whenever you like when they have to, you come to know them, they start making some particular movement. Then you'll come, if you observe them, you'll come to know that it's going to poop. So what you do, you keep a newspaper there. So they will learn that whenever I have to do, he'll go to the newspaper. He'll not go to the toilet. He'll go to the newspaper. And then you can remove that, right?
Oh, I see. That means whenever she's uncomfortable, I mean, I understand it's time, because after meals, normally after meals, after half an hour of a meal, probably they'll poop.
Yeah. So
if I understand, I'll take a piece of paper and put her on it, so she'll understand.
Yeah, you tell him. Yeah, he'll do it. Yes, they will understand.
I used to lay out newspapers in the bathroom. I used to lay out newspapers in the bathroom. So every 1 hour, I would take the little one and keep him in the bathroom. And then he got used to it. And the smell also makes them do it. They sniff around. So wherever they have done it, they will do it at the same place. So that's how gradually the potty training took place.
Yeah, you can remove those papers and then keep fresh paper.
Throw it away. Yeah.
That will be very convenient. Rather than this is the only way, I think. Or what I used to do whenever I came to know that he wants to go. So what I pick him up. I used to pick him up and take him out, right? Then he learned that he has to do it outside only. But now he will never do it in the house. When we go out, he's open. Like he said, they don't tie the dog. We will also never tie that dog. And usko bhi agar jana hai to bahar jata hai, outside the gate. Because my Mali used to.
I'm just muted everybody because I need to really continue, and I want you all to understand that what Gurvinder has been saying and others are saying, Marie, it is just a matter of time. When you get a little child home and you have to potty train that child also, your mom was not impatient with you. There is somewhere that takes it's a process which takes about 4 to 6 months. And once that is done, you will say, I don't want to take you down, but the little one will scream, shout, and take you down for not only a walk, but for the pee time. So you have to get that this is just a way how we train them. And just like we train our kids, we train ourselves, same way We train everybody. Thank you, Gurvinder, for sharing. Thank you, Marie, for sharing. And
Welcome.
Shukriya. Let's go further and really see what are the tips today and how you can travel with your pet. So, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आप टाइट डाउन हो जाएंगे तो वाकई आप टाइट डाउन हो जाएंगे और अगर आप सोचते हैं कि नो it's a matter of some time and I can manage, so that is how it will be. Life is to be. It is not dependent on the dog. Dog ने आपको कुछ नहीं सिखाना है, आपने dog को सिखाना है. You are the Malik and remember that you are the one who is going to teach your dog everything that the dog needs to know. Now, when you are traveling with the pet, I want you to know that there are two options. One is that you take your pet along with you. The second option is that you leave your pet behind at a place with someone who can take care of your pet, who you can trust. These are the only two options left. And that traveling could mean when you're going for your office. That traveling could mean when you're that traveling depends on what kind of traveling you are going to be doing. I want all of you who have got pets to put down in the chat, what do you do? How old is your pet? What is the pet that you have? What do you do when you're traveling? Shabash, fatafat. Do you take your pet along with you? Do you leave your pet behind? And if you leave your pet behind, who is taking care of your pet? Chaliye, fatafat. Rajesh, would you like to share? Okay, fatafat likhiye. Fatafat chat mein likhiye. So it's your emotion, ma'am. One person has to stay at home. Yes, right, ma'am. One person has to stay at home. Not necessary. You have places where you can leave the dog, where you can leave your cat, but we are not happy leaving them there. That's why you want someone to be there at home. And you can leave your servant behind otherwise, who is there. In India, we are very blessed to have people who do work for us. Yes, during the COVID, they are not there. But otherwise, we are a very blessed country that you have help. Most of the countries, people do not have any help. They simplify the methods. We like to complicate the methods, and that is the biggest problem that we have. If we do not complicate the methods and we do not complicate our life, then everything is perfectly all right. So I want you to know that pet, if it is at home, pet at home and no pet at home at present. Earlier, yes, I want to tell some important, this is an appeal to all. You put meal and water for them. Yes, during the COVID time, there are a lot of pets which are not getting food to eat. I have a cat and I leave her with my sister's place. Now, you can actually leave them with someone. I agree with you. There are also families who train the pet first for 2 hours, then for a little more time, and 7 to 8 hours also your pet can stay without you. 7 to 8 hours your pet can stay without you. Hamara dil nahi karta because you're so attached to the pet. You are so much in love with the pet. You don't want the pet to have any drama in their life, any trauma in their life. And that's why you don't leave. But it's not like they cannot stay without you. Look at the stray dogs. कौन आके उनको खाना देता है, कौन उनके आके प्यार करता है, and yet they survive. The dogs have got a basic idea of how to survive. It is just that हमारा प्यार जो है ना, we do not, in some way we start treating dogs like babies. We start treating them like human beings. We need to understand how will you feel if they treat you like a dog. You won't like it. Similarly, let's not treat them like human beings. You can give them love, but you get attached to them and so you don't want to leave them. I have a full-time maid who is like a family member and happy, yes. Because when they're not there, they leave I have a parrot and I love birds and I leave them with my friend when they're traveling. Wonderful. We have to take him along and we are going to some open place and run around and play. Yes. My pet is a black Labrador called Zorro.
He is 6 years of age and can travel and send him to the crush. Yes, they keep sending videos because they have a huge garden. Yes, it's not a bad option. In fact, outside the country, they have schools for dogs. Yes, they have training schools for dogs where you can send the dog. And people are not sitting at home. We haven't created it, that's all. We also have beautiful people who can come and train. I have a female Cocker Spaniel, Juno, 8 years old, and she has separation anxiety. And that's why whenever we go out, we look for pet-friendly resort and take her. So it's great. It's great that, Anita, you do that. Hats off to you. So I'm going to show you the first time that I took my pup out. She's not a puppy anymore. She's 1 year, 6 months old. At that point, she was 1 year, 2 months old when we took her out. First outdoor resort where we went and stayed for 3 days. We hired a bungalow in Alibag, and there were other family members. My husband, my driver was there, and we had another family with us who also loves pets. They didn't have any pet of theirs, but they came along with us. So I'm going to show you the pictures right now. 1 minute. Share. Okay, can you see these pictures? This is a trip to Alibag. This is my friend Archana Bandarkar, and that's my dog. And we took Luna, that's my little Luna. She's not little, guys, she's very huge and she's very beautiful. She loved the open space. We put a leash for her, which is really long. We didn't ever leave her without the leash. If you realize that we have leashed her, and there's this 3-meter leash, 40-meter leash, you get leashes which are very long. You can put that across your dog and let the dog be. Let's go further. This is the place where she was sleeping with me outside. I mean, I just loved it. I never thought this was possible. When she traveled till there, she had motion sickness, which I was not aware of. We did stop our car every. In fact, we carried a lot of water, snacks for her, like a picnic basket that you carry for your children. We had created a whole picnic basket for her. Her eggs were made. Her chicken was kept on one side, packed nicely. She had water enough. Fruits were there, which she loves eating. And we would halt the car 45 minutes to 1 hour, give her a walk for about 15 minutes so that she needs to pee, she can do that. And it took us about 3 hours from my place because I'm in Chembur, which is in Mumbai. So Alibag from there is about 3.5 hours. So we did that same travel in hours. And we picked up a place which was like a farm so that we are not a nuisance to anybody else, because not everybody loves a dog. This is my husband, and we're sitting outside in the garden. She was, a big leash was tied and she was kept outside, and she loved the environment. Motion sickness she did have even after that. So next time that we are going to be ever traveling, we will be giving her or preparing her motion sickness medicine before she sits in the car. She loves sitting in the car for about 45 minutes, but after that, she needs a little bit of a breather. And she loved because there were hens on this property, there were cats on this property, there were birds on this property, and she just wanted to keep the birds safe, but she just had so much of entertainment and the grass that she could dig and be okay with. I'm going to show you a few videos. Hopefully they will play.
Okay, इधर चलो आओ चलो देखते हैं
That's my husband. I actually felt as if I was carrying my third bacha out and having them have fun.
Oh, wow.
There were 5 hens on that side and she was running towards them. And so Vikram had to be really
tight in holding her.
ऊपर चढ़ेंगे आजा. Come on.
Looney. This one is not showing, so I'll show you the next one. Let's go to the next page, and that's my driver with whom she is really, really friendly. Hopefully it will play. She got a lot of exercise that she really, really needed to kind of mull around and move around. Now, there are ways in which we can actually, we need to understand if we are taking them for a swimming pool or to the beach. We need to first not overfeed them ever if the travel time is too huge. If the travel time is huge, please do not try to overfeed your dog and then take your dog anywhere, because if you do that, there is every chance that your dog may want to kind of throw up, and that may not be something that you would like or appreciate, and because it can be very messy. So make sure you carry stuff with you. You carry stuff like water for them, their little tray for them, the food box with them, like a picnic, okay? And carry dry food. You get the food or the other kind of food. For a picnic, it's nice if you're going for a very short period of time, literally for their picnic, then it's nice to carry little dry food so that it's not spilling all over you. I remember carrying, actually my dog loves carrots. So I remember carrying carrots, kibble food for her, bread for her, which she loves. And there was another dog in the same garden where we took her for the picnic, and how she just wanted to go and make friends with the dogs, with the other dogs. Now, your dog may be friendly or may not be friendly at all. There is also another two possibilities if you're going outstation. If you're going outstation, then you need to prepare your dog 6 months before you take your dog. You need to see that the vaccinations are done. You need to know whether they're medically completely fit, and you need to sensitize your dogs 6 months before you start taking or thinking of traveling. Actually, to be really honest, I've never prepared her for that long. We just would take her for drives every evening for about 15-20 minutes, and she would love it. And this was just an extension of that. So do not pick up a place which is very, very far off. There is also that the animals can have trauma of if they are left in the cabin, inside what we call the break room actually. So let me take you through a little bit more. What happens if your pet is travel sickness is there? There are buck flower remedies. You can do EFT for them. Anybody knows what is EFT? Anybody knows what is EFT? Anybody knows what is EFT?
No, I don't.
No idea. No idea.
Okay. EFT is emotional freedom technique, which are tapping in which you don't have to tap straight on the dog. Even if you sit there and tap on yourself, because parents are the ones who get more anxious than the dog first. So first reduce your anxiety. I've shown the technique several times on the other forums. I'm just going to give you the points. You can do small tapping on yourself as well as on your pet. So first do tapping for yourself. If you're anxious around the pet or you're feeling not okay, we start from here. This is the first step. All of you can do with me. This is the second step. This is not just for your pets. Third step. Fourth one. 5 is under the eyes, under the nose, in the chin area, and over here, in the collarbone area. Very important to tap on the fingers. Now this is for a human being. What do you do with a dog? Any ideas? Most of the times, if the dog is anxious, you have to check the parent. The pet parent is probably equally. So deal with the pet parent first and tell the pet parent to deal with by doing EFT. How will you adopt this for an animal of yours? Chalo, fatafat. Let me see how many of you come up with. Sunita, any
Yes,
idea
ma'am.
how to put this for your animal?
पैम्पर करना है उनको, गले में थोड़ा ऐसे करेंगे तो उनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है। माथे पे हाथ लगाओ, उनको माथे पे हाथ लगाओ प्यार से। और हम एक बात बोलना चाहूंगी, मैं उनको गुस्सा करूंगी ना तो मालूम पड़ता है, शट अप, चुपचाप बैठो। हाँ, तो ऐसे सहम जाते, वो गोंदो बच्चा बच्चा, वो तुरंत पूंछ हिलाने लगते हैं। और डरेंगे तो पूंछ अंदर डालते हैं या फिर
आपकी टोन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और अगर आप एंशियस हैं तो आपकी एंजाइटी उनको समझ में आती है और वो डर जाते हैं। वो आपकी एंजाइटी ऐसे समझ में आती है कि आपकी बॉडी हार्मोन सिक्रीट करती है जिससे वो स्मेल कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड एट स्मेलिंग। तो आप पहले अपनी एंजाइटी के ऊपर काम करेंगे with the steps that I just showed you, and for the dog you will hold him here, the chest area, and you will hold him here, this area. You will hold him here and in this here, and talk to him softly. Arey mera baby, I love you bachcha. You're a very sweet bachcha. You're a sweetheart. And they will calm down. कहाँ रखना है आपने हाथ? यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. Back, right like this. और अगर आप उनसे बात करेंगे, they will calm down completely and totally. This is very important tip that I'm giving you. अपने लिए आपने पूरी EFT करनी है ऐसे करके, these points which I've just shown you, ताकि आप calm down हो. आप calm down होंगे तो आप उन्हें calm down कर सकेंगे. अगर आप calm down नहीं है, आप जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे हैं and you are excited, then someone is required to calm you down first. आप calm down हो गए, आपका animal 50% नहीं 70% calm down हो गया. उसके बाद उसके यहाँ हाथ रखना है, यहाँ हाथ रखना है और प्यार से बात करनी है, उससे दिल से बात करनी है, and the animal will calm down. अभी मैं आपको दो और अलग तरीके के ट्रैवल बताने वाली हूँ, and then I will pull out the cards for you guys. There is traveling by train that can be done. The traveling by train can only be done if you are traveling by the first class. That's the only problem. You cannot take your dog in where everybody is there in the chair car or just the normal 3-tire. You will have to book first class AC ka full compartment. And for that, you need to have a lot of papers ready. Vaccinated है, medically fit है, 2 घंटे पहले आपको पहुंचना पड़ेगा, आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा कूपे के लिए, ताकि आपको पूरा का पूरा कूपा अपने आप मिल जाए, ताकि it is easier for you. Then there is no problem and your animal is not caged. बहुत सारी दूसरी countries में they carry their animals and they have small cages in which you can carry animals. Now, if the animal is with you in the train, in the first class compartment, the chances of him getting traumatized are 0. But if your animal is put in the break room, as the luggage room, as in the cargo room, there is a place where the PC sits, and along with that, there is also a room in which they do carry the animal. But you have to be very careful, because imagine if there was another animal there, that animal may, and you know, cargo price may be very little in the cargo when you're putting them, 30 rupees something per kilometer or something like that. Yet it is very important for you to understand that in that cage where if you decide to put him where cargo is, that he has to have enough amount of food, he has to have enough amount of water, especially if your train travel is not 5 or 6 hours, but the whole day and the next day. It will also depend कि कितनी गर्मी है. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है या बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है and we are not able to regulate our dog or cat, then it can be very, very traumatic for the dog or cat. Now, another way of traveling could also be air travel, but only our Air India allows air travel, and I believe that there are not too many places which are accepting it. अभी कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कि you get transferred from, let's say you're in Mumbai, you're getting transferred to another country and you want to carry your animal. तो आपको उस animal को prepare करना पड़ेगा. How will you prepare the animal? You will have to make them, give them certain buck flood treatments, do certain amount of EFT, calming down, talk to them, show them that. So I'm going to give you over here a possibility that I'll give you a case study of two people. One is a case study of a person who left their pet behind when they got transferred. The whole family was moving to Japan and they decided not to take their pet. What do you think can happen to the pet in this story? What happens when you don't take your pet?
It will die of sadness.
Yes. What else?
He'll be traumatized. Poor baby. Heavily traumatized.
Heavily traumatized. Your baby behind.
They'll feel abandoned, no? Totally abandoned.
Absolutely. So two things can happen, guys. When you leave your animal behind, suddenly, like this, the animal can feel abandoned and can actually die. The animal can feel helpless and can also develop a lot of hormonal disturbances. So, and mood swings along with it. So you do not abandon your animal just like this. You either make sure that they get adopted into a family, which is a known family and a loving family. It's like marrying your child. You don't give your child anywhere now, and you don't bring anyone into your house. Like this, someone leaves you away, how will you feel? कहा तो हम? Yes, Sunita, बोलिए.
हम एनिमल्स को फीड करते हैं, बहुत कुछ करते हैं, दवा मेडिसिन वो सब करते हैं. बट मेरी बेटी एडॉप्शन कभी करती है, अभी थोड़ा बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि पॉसिबल. फिर उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, हम पहले उनका घर का फोटो मंगाते हैं. जैसे हमारी बेटी को ससुराल में कैसे देते हैं, उसका बैकग्राउंड मंगाते हैं, उसके घर में कितने हैं, कितने जन है. मतलब हमारी एक मैम है अनीशा करके, वो सब ऐसा करते हैं एडॉप्शन, और हम लोग भी पर्सनली करते हैं. पहले उनका आधार कार्ड भी लेते हैं हम, आधार कार्ड और घर की फोटो लेते हैं, फिर घर का सराउंडिंग आजू बाजू में क्या है वो सब लेते हैं. ऐसे सब करते हैं, बाद में उसको लेते हैं और फॉलो अप करते हैं. फॉलो अप बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि हमने फॉलो अप एक जन का किया नहीं था ना, तो बाद में क्योंकि वो आंसर ही नहीं दे रहे थे, बाद में पता चला कि वो कहीं पे जैसे बिजली चमकते गाड़ी में से भाग गई. तो इतना दुख होता है, ऐसे हो जाएगा कि माँ, बहुत दुख होता है, क्यों एडॉप्ट किया उसका, ऐसा भी होता है. इसलिए फॉलो अप तो बहुत जरूरी है मैम. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच. तो मैं ये एक आपको केस स्टडी दे रही थी, and the case study is about this young girl who was just about 12 years of age at that time. And when they moved from the place, she actually left her dog with her friend's house, and yet she still remembers today. The same lady, today she's a young lady, not young lady, she's probably 40 years of age, and every time she thinks of this, she cries and howls that how could she leave her animal like this, because the last thing that she can hear is her animals. Can you hear this? This is the nakhun jo maar rahe hain darwaze ke upar, and she's saying, she's howling and she's barking and saying, please take me along with you, please take me along with you, please listen to your animals. Guys, I cannot go on any further because it's 3 p.m. I'm going to pull out 5 cards for you guys. I hope you liked what we have brought for you today, and if you really like how we are trying to bring the pets into your life, please acknowledge it and please go and put in the feedback form. I'm just going to give you the feedback form. 1 minute dijiye mujhe. I'm just going to put the feedback form for you guys so that
I also put the link for tomorrow's class of Anu ma'am, so you can
Thank you.
register here.
Tomorrow we are going to be talking about
Interconnection
emotions.
of health. Yeah.
Physical body is affected by our emotions, and I would be really grateful if you can go and register for the class tomorrow at 2 o'clock. Right now, I'm just putting the link down. If you found this useful by any chance, thank you जी, thank you किरण जी. मुझे भी zero knowledge थी.
Thank you,
चलिए
ma'am.
pets
Thank you,
वाले
ma'am.
मैंने यूनिकॉर्न कार्ड्स निकाले हैं आप लोगों के लिए, and I'm going to be putting for all our pets and pet owners. Okay, so
Pillow. Hey, baby.
this is for Pillu. Who is Pillu?
Oh, my dog. One second. Pillow.
For exercise. Pillu wants to go out and want exercise.
Oh.
Yes, bye. And I'm going to pick up one more card for Pillu. Pillu is saying, in the morning, when you wake up, you will be better idea of what to do. Relax until then. So Pillu is giving you a message that when you get up tomorrow morning, there is a very good news waiting for you, which is going to make you relax and feel good about yourself. Okay, I know
Thank you.
your pet so that I can talk about your pet. Fatafat, naam daliye.
Daisy. My
Daisy.
pet's name is Daisy.
Daisy is saying, try something new in your life. Daisy is telling you, try something in your life. Good. The next
Yeah,
name.
but it's
Mine is Zorro. Mine
Okay.
is Zorro.
If you put the name in the chat box, and I'm reading for you guys. For Juno is saying that tomorrow morning is going to be a very good morning for all of you, and there is a good news awaiting you. I'm removing another card from. Also saying, take one step at a time. Do not hurry up into anything. That's for Anita.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. Okay. Scooby-Doo is saying, you need to exercise, Suman.
Okay.
Karo.
Okay. Thank you,
Marshall.
Saying, Gurvinder, ki happy surprise is waiting for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Zorro.
Excuse me, I couldn't hear. What did you say?
Saying something very happy is waiting for you. And I'm reading for Beena Bhandarkar's.
Okay, thank you.
Sunny is saying, simplify your life, Beena. बहुत complicated करी हुई है आपने अपनी life.
My dog name is Zorro.
Okay. Zorro is saying, okay, I'm removing. Zorro is saying, share your work. Do not do everything all alone. Share your work.
No. Because you're right, I don't share my work.
Very nice. अच्छा चलो एक और pet के लिए फटाफट. Anybody's name? Pet name?
I didn't hear about Scooby-Doo. Can you just tell me?
Yes.
Your voice was breaking.
Scooby-Doo is saying, be very thankful in your life. Gratitude do, Suman.
Okay.
अच्छा ये सबके all pets. I'm removing 3 cards for all the people over here. First card is, all of you are very creative people. This is your animals telling us that you all are very creative people. Find creative ways of living life. Wow. Your pets are saying, wish, make a wish right now and it will come true for you. Close your eyes right now. Make a Shabash. I made my wish, man. And the last one. Your pets are saying there is a happy surprise waiting for all of you. Love you all. Take care, Shravan.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and bye.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Bye. See you
1 second, I
tomorrow.
want to tell.
उषा जी क्या बना रही थी?
Hello, ma'am.
उषा जी, what you are embroidering?
प्लीज जाके उसके ऊपर फीडबैक फिल कीजिए. प्लीज फीडबैक फॉर्म पे जाके फीडबैक.
Anu,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anu, I'm an outsider. All of you are pet lovers. I'm a pet lover, but from the distance.
पेट लवर फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंस. चलिए इनके लिए आपके क्या बोल रहा है आपका पेट लवर. वो बोल रहा है आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो मेरे.
अरे बाप रे, thank you very much.
क्या कहते हैं आपको ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया.
How is your doggy?
See you
How is
tomorrow.
your doggy?
मेरा डॉगी मेरा
See you.
डॉग.
Can't hear. Your voice is breaking.
मैंने कहा मैं मेरे डॉग को प्यारा डॉगी, प्यारा हरामी डॉगी बोलती हूँ कई बार प्यार.
This is pyar. This is pyar. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.